This conference will now be recorded.
Continue the same topic, Glide Record. So Glide Record is one important API in ServiceNow platform, which will be running from server side, mainly used to perform some CRUD operations. So far I seen only I've seen only that how to get the records based on your query made or your condition made. It's very important question to also they're asking very frequently. ServiceNow platform is not allowing to executing any SQL statements, but how can you perform the CRUD operations? Yes, we can do it through Glide Recorder. Same operations. What are the operations you are doing with the SQL statements? Same operations we can do with Glide Record also. Glide Record is providing so many methods. Each method used to get used to perform some operations into the table. Okay, so far we've seen only how to get the data from respective table. Today I'm going to show how to create a new record in ServiceNow platform and table through script. Okay, how to create new record variable inc equal to same new glide record. You are going to create a new record into which table? That glide record table we have to define as the first parameter. And second one, initialize. Initialize. Initialize is the one more method in glide record which is used to compose the form. It's equivalent to compose the form. Initialize. Check it spelling once again. Initialize. Then, what are the field values you want to fulfill while creating or inserting any record into this table? Inc dot. I want fulfill short description equal to creating new record to scripting. And if you want to fulfill more fields, and see dot category equal to software nothing but high, urgency also high. Based on impact on urgency, priority will be set automatically. Okay, and next one is caller. So caller we have to pass the caller ID, not pass any name. Okay, so once you are initialized, then we have to fulfill all the details. What are the field values you want to fulfill in specific record? Those fields you have to take. Then we need to use one more method called insert. Okay, after created new incident ticket, so you want to get the result of it, you want to get that incident number. So how can you get it? Start print inc dot number. So copy this code and go to ServiceNow instance where we have to execute this code. Go to background script and click on run. Yes, a new instance has been created successfully. then you can find that incident number also 10002. Let me check in native UI whether the record has created or not in incident table. Navigate to incident table and go to all, and this is a new incident ticket. So this incident ticket has been created through scripting. That script have been executed into where background script. Okay, so while creating this incident ticket, so what are the field values I have fulfilled? Impact on agency, right? Impact on agency have taken 1 and 1. Based on the impact on agency, priority will be set automatically. We know where they have configured. And category software have selected, and short description is this one, right? And I did not fill any color field. So while creating incident ticket, color field is mandatory, but I did not fulfill color field. But how the system is allowing to create incident ticket? And suppose one more thing, I don't want allowed to create incident ticket without fill the mandatory fields, that may be server side or client side. Client side already we are implemented UI policy, but server side is not preventing. What might be the reason? You tell me, guys. Guys, you tell me. Anybody idea on it?
So we need to write data policy to prevent that.
Yes, we have to write or create data policy. Customer is not created an incident ticket from native UI. So native UI user interface UI policy get execute and preventing the user. When customer try to create any record from server side means nothing but maybe background script or import sets, any other third-party integrations. That moment also I want to prevent the user. So that case we have to create data policy. Data policy is not created for this condition. That's why system is allowing to create instant ticket. Okay, so this is the one way to create instant ticket. Now I'm going to using another methods to creating instant ticket. So if you want to set the value direct to the field, so you can take the field and then you can define the value. What is the value you want to insert into this field? Software and one. And now I'm going to take another way. Okay, variable and c equal to new glide record, in which table you want to create it like a ticket incident. The table name should be always keep in single or double quote. So then table is here and store into the like this variable. Now we have to open the form, right? So there are two methods to compose the form. One is initialize, second one is new record. You'll be able to use a new record also. And then, so what are the field values you have to fulfill? And I can see that you will be able to use set value method also. But when you're using set value method, there we have to pass the parameters. Okay, so category is equal to hardware inc dot set value of short description do record one. And if you want to fulfill more field values, you can fulfill and following by the set value method. After fulfill these all the details, then we need to insert. We have to use the insert method. And if you want to print that incident number, then we can use gs dot print and c dot number. Copy this code and move to background script. Background script application, you can add it to favorite. Every time very quickly access, paste your code and then run a script. See, a new incident has been created successfully. The incident number is 10003. Okay, let me check that incident created or not. Navigate to incident table, go to all. Yes, creating new record. It is alternative way creating the new incident ticket or problem change. I'm changing the methods. So instead of using initialize, I used new record, and instead of using the directly setting the values, so we are using set value method. Clear, guys? This is the way how to create any record into any table through scripting. Any queries up to now? And please do remember one more important thing. So we can do only CRUD operations with glide record. So we can't perform any other operation apart from this glide record. Okay. And next one. So we are going to talking about how to update record. So, scripting. So which record you want to update? First of all, you can navigate it to any table. I have taken instant table, and you can take this record number 10003, and this sys ID you can copy it, or number you can copy the number. How to update incident ticket through scripting? Variable same inc equal to new glide record. And the table is incident, and then using get value, you can use that particular incident ticket. Now I am going to updating. How can I set the value? Like just I am updating only short description. Just I'm updating only short description. Updating through scripting. After updated this value into short description. So how the system can update that automatically? There is one more method called inc.update. The method is called update. So copy the code and go to background script. I think it's added here. Background script and execute. Okay, the incident has been updated successfully. Let me check in incident table once again. Incident, go to all, open is updating through scripting. So this is the way how to update single record through scripting. Can we update multiple records to scripting in single time? Yes, you will be able to update multiple records also. Okay, now let's move to instant list of records. State is in progress. How many tickets in progress state? Almost 20 tickets. how many incidents are in progress state? 20 tickets. These all are 20 tickets I want update with state value of result. So how can you update these all records in single time? Yes, you can be able to update these all the records in single time through scripting also. How you can do it? So variable inc equal to new glide record. Guys, this moment just we are going to practice only incident table. In real case, you may get the chance to working on any other table. Only table will be changed, maybe, but remaining process will be the same. The hierarchy, conditions, methods, everything is the same. So depends on the client requirement. So we have to define the table. And next one is, and I want to add the query. So you can see add query. First of all, I want to get the query state equal to 2. 2 nothing but in progress. inc dot so where the record state value equal to 2 in progress, those are all the records I want to update with the state is 6. And this is that state equal to 6 6 nothing but result. And then so how to update multiple records in ServiceNow platform? We have to use one more new method is called update multiple. Update multiple. Okay, so first of all, I've taken the variable equal to new glide record of incident table. The table has stored into this variable. So now table here. First of all, it will be getting the where the state equal to 2, and those all the records directly we can update state equal to 6 result. Then we have to use update multiple methods to update all the records. And where we can execute, go to background script and run script. Okay, so data policy exception. It's not allowing to update the record with the state of 6 because background already they have implemented like a data policy. So now let me remove the data policy. The data policy exception, right? And just you can deactivate that particular data policy record. Make it false. Then again back to background script. Try to update. Now it's allowing to update all the incident tickets. So where SLA business rule, where the state equal to those all the tickets being updated with state of 6 its result. Now let me check the records are updated or not. Navigate to incident table, go to all, and once again you can apply the condition. State is in progress. And run. No. So I'm not getting any in progress tickets. So what are the tickets in progress state? Those all the tickets are updated with state of 6 is the result. Okay. And one more very important thing, in case Unfortunately, if you executed any wrong code, and one more important thing you should remember, guys, while executing any code into any code through background script, so please cross check multiple times. Don't execute any like a wrong code. In case if you executed any wrong code, it may impact on the existing records. Okay, is it clear? Don't execute any wrong code. In case, unfortunately, if you executed any wrong code, so how can you back out the changes? It's very simple. So go to here, and so when you executed any code, and by default you will be able to see script execution history and recovery. So when you click on available here, automatically it will be navigated to sys underscore execution underscore history tab table. Okay. In case if you executed any wrong code, actually with the state equal to in progress, those all the tickets I want to keep in on hold. But unfortunately, I have updated with result. So how can you roll back the changes? How can you roll back the script execution? Okay, so simply you can click on that rollback script execution. Are you sure you want to recover the changes? Yes, I want to recover the changes. You can type yes and click on OK. These all the changes can be rolled back successfully to incident table. Okay, so this rollback history is going to be stored into which table? So that table name is very, very important. Sometimes they're asking in interview also. Sys underscore script underscore execution underscore history. Okay, if you want to execute, in case if you like copy this table name sys underscore script underscore execute history, right? In case if you like close this one, this window, how can you roll back that your activities? So what are the script you are executed in background script? All our scripts can store into this table. Please do remember the table name. Sys underscore script underscore execution underscore history, and then type list. So which record you want to like recover it? So open any specific record. Okay, then you can execute. Which script you want to execute? That script you can open and then roll back it. Clear, guys? Any query so far? Any queries, guys, up to now? Are you able to follow me? Anybody feeling difficulty?
Srinivas.
Srinath, can you show once more how to revert that any particular code?
Okay, so when you executed any code background script, directly you will be able to see see execution history. So it will be navigated to the table. In case if you close that window, so directly you can open that through this table. Sys underscore script underscore execution history. In case if you are not remember the table name, so then you can Google it. Script execution history table name in ServiceNow. Use the script execution history rollback module. So that table name directly we can get it from product documentation. Rollback recovery, directly go to the module, rollback recovery, and script execution history. same table, right? Underscore history execution underscore history. Okay, clear, Hemant?
Yes.
Or else directly you can
Srinivas,
use the table sys underscore script underscore execution underscore history. Yeah, please someone try to ask the question.
yeah, Srinivas, so this is only for background script, or this is also applicable for client script or business rule,
No,
etc.
no. When you executed any script through background script application, background means nothing but background script application. This application, only those scripts you can be able to
Okay,
roll back.
got it. Okay.
For example, so you are executed some wrong code. Okay, actually, let me check it out. Previously, all in progress tickets are like get changes to result. So once you roll back it, once again check it out. Where state is like in progress. Now you'll be able to see all in progress tickets. We have rolled back successfully, right, Hemant? Okay, so this is about how to back out changes which are executed from background script application or module. Okay, and last one, I'm going to show how to delete a record through scripting. Which record you want to delete? See, same variable IMC equal to new glide record. I want to delete a record from my specific table and see dot. So I can use get method to delete single record. Which record you want to delete? The record number we can pass or sysID, anything. This record number 52. Copy this number. Okay, so once you got this record number, then you can delete it. How can you delete the record? INC dot delete record. So delete record is one more method which is used to delete a single record. Let me check first of all this code. Go to background script. Yes, one record has deleted. Let me check the record is deleted or not. Record number 52. See, record number 52 has deleted. Any customer unfortunately deleted that maybe manually or through scripting. So who can recover it? So there is one more module called deleted records. Directly go to deleted records, then the specific record we can recover it. Open it. Undelete with related. Yes. Click on OK. Okay, so this is the way how to delete single record. So how to delete multiple records? How to delete multiple records? Variable INC new record. You can define the table name instant INC dot add query. So where the state equal to 7. Say closed and c dot add query state equal to 7, and then inc dot which method we have to use when you want to delete multiple records from table. We have to use delete multiple. It's a method. Go to background script,
Query.
deleted. Let me check all. When status is closed, 7, nothing, right? So empty. So where are the state equal to close? Those all the tickets are deleted. Okay, so when you execute any code, okay, how can you recover it? So when you execute any code, if you execute like a wrong, that moment directly can be able to available history, and then we can be able to roll back it. Now let me check all the records are recorded or not. Yes. No. Script underscore execution underscore which one I executed recently. If you click on this one, open the user record. Go to incident table all. Now got right. See, successfully we have recorded all the records when I deleted before. Okay, clear guys? And now I'm going to working with remaining methods one by one. So what is the use of a get unique value? So when you want to get the unique value of the record, that case we can using this get unique value. So what is the unique value of this method? Like what is the unique value of this record? So this table ID, glide record table I have passed incident. Okay, then next go to the next. So what is the unique value of this incident table? So that table ID can be displaying. Go to background script. This is instance table ID.
And
Sir, unique spelling is some
Hmm?
unique spelling is wrong, sir.
Which one? Just a second.
Incident where space unique value. Fourth line, sir.
Fourth line. Okay. Where is the spelling wrong?
UNIQ value. That's fourth.
This one, right?
Nice.
It's not spelling. It's a variable, right? You can be able to take anything. You can be able to take ABC also. You can take AB something also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's a variable name. You can take it anything.
Oh, wait.
But method will be
Got
the
it.
proper spelling it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay.
sir, I have a question. Sir, in the previous state, why did you take state 7?
State 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So navigate to incident table. Go to new. Okay. State is one field, right? So we have
Yes.
different states in this field: new, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, and cancelled.
Okay.
So these all are display values. New is
Okay.
1, in progress 2, 3
Hmm.
is on hold, 6 is resolved, 7 closed, and 8 cancelled.
And
What about
sometimes
that?
I
What
take
about
state 2 and state 6, for which reason you have taken that state 2 and state 6. Previous this scripting, you have also taken state 2 and state 6.
state 2 is nothing but in progress. State 7 is nothing but closed.
Okay.
So these all are display values. Customer will be able to see display values like new, in progress, on hold. But internally, they have configured the actual values. So what is the actual value of the each display value? That information we can see over here. Go to configure and form design. Actual values where they have configured. Actual values they have configured into field property.
Okay. So we have to take, let's say, like new is one first number state, and
Okay.
in progress is a second state. Like this,
See,
we have to put.
they have mentioned these all are actual, like these all are display values. These all are actual values. While
Hmm.
writing any code, always we need to use only actual values, not display values. It's for visible purpose. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So where they have configured, so go to form design and open the field property that they have configured these all actual values. So while writing any code, always we have to use only actual values. Don't use any display values. System cannot understand. Got it, my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So set value already we seen, and get element. So get element also nothing but it's nothing but equivalent to get value. So what is the value of the field? See. So I have taken one variable element name. Element name is a short description, and I'm entering to get record. So initializing and set value. So set value is the method. I'm setting the value to which field element name, right? So now element name is, so it's a field name, right? Automatically the field name is sub description. What is the value I'm setting? I'm facing VPN problem. Then system can be inserting and you will get the value of the field. The value of the field is finally I'm facing VPN problem. So it is equivalent to get value. So set element and get element. Set element and get element equivalent to set value and get value. So when I click on that run, so we get the I'm facing VPN problem, right? And get record class not required. And already we've seen initialize and insert method, how we can use together. And now I want to know the current record is like a new or not. Go to background script, see incident table, and I'm going to inserting a new record, right? Okay, so just I'm taking a new record method, means try to create new record. So now I'm printing, need to get the output. So current record I'm print like a current record, I'm like a, whatever the record I'm creating, that is a new or existing one, it's a new one, right? So meanwhile I can get it is a new record. It will be give the boolean values. So now I'm creating new record, right? That's why giving the value is new record true. But if you are updating any existing record, then it's not giving true, giving the false. Okay, and next one is valid. The current table which is passing in your glide record, which is like this is valid or not. Let me check this table is valid or not. What is the table I have passed into my glide record? It's valid table or not? Yes, it's valid table, that's why getting true. Just I'm changing table name instead. Okay, I have removed one character. So it's not valid table. This table is not existing in my instance. That's why you will get like a false. It's not valid table. So is valid method used to get the you are passing the correct table or not in your like a glide record. And next one is valid field. Is valid field can be checking the current field which is passed into your glide record. It's a valid field or not. Okay, so category is the valid field. That's why it's giving the value. Category is valid field. Just a second, what was it? As equal to nuclear record incident
Close.
is valid field. So valid field. In case if you change like something into your field name, and once again you can check it out. False. It is not valid field. And get link, get properties. So when you want to get that link of your query, so you'll be able to get the link of that query. So using by the get property. Up to all are the same. And while next loop and so get property. So now I'm going to get in the like a link and property of this query. So once you got that link and property of that query, that link you can share to anyone. So when you share this link to anyone, they can directly open this records into respective table browser. This method is valid record. So which is the record you are passed into your glide query? It is checking that is valid number or not. This number is already existing, then given that true or not false. Otherwise, so new record already we've seen that. And now I'm going to working with add null query. So add null query method used to checking the current field value is null or not. So incident table and add null query. The short description value is null, then displaying the like a null value. Otherwise, so where the short description value is null, meaning empty, those all the tickets I want to print. First of all, let me execute this code. Where the short description value is empty, I want print those all record numbers. Now, so every short description has fulfilled, right? In this case, what I can do, I will remove one short description I will remove one short description and again check it out. Save it. Okay, and go to background script. So where the short description value is null, add null query and giving the all the numbers. Only one short description value is empty. Okay, and not null query. There is one more method called not null query. Okay, so where the short description value is not empty, almost printing all 78 records, right? So these all the records are not empty. All of description values are fulfilled. Opposite of null query. And already we've seen update single record, multiple record, and already seen how to delete the single record and how to delete the multiple records. So can create, can read, and can write. So can delete. These all the methods we can use in Glide Secure and other API. Okay, just I mentioned over here. So you can leave it to this moment. Same methods I can back to once again. I can use somewhere else. Okay. So remaining methods we can practice on tomorrow, guys. Okay. It's the most important, very important method. I want to update a record, so but I don't want to update system fields. It's a very important question to you also. I want to update a record in any table, but don't want to update system fields. How to achieve it? So remaining methods we can see on tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow.